close your eyes, gently now, and imagine a river, wide, slow, unhurried, flowing quietly through the stillness of the evening. Lord, you said you would give peace like a river, steady and overflowing, not like the world gives, but a peace that guards the heart even when the day was loud. Tonight, I ask for that river to flow through me. Picture the water, calm and silver in the moonlight, moving without rushing, without striving, without needing to be anywhere but exactly where it is. That is the peace he offers tonight. Not the absence of a hard day, but a stillness that flows right through the middle of it. Feel your breathing begin to match the river's pace. Slow, steady, unhurried. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. Let that be true for you right now. Not still waters far away in some distant place, but still waters right here, in this quiet room, in this tired body, in this heart that has carried so much today. Listen. Can you hear it? The soft sound of water moving gently over stone, smoothing every rough edge of the day with patient, steady grace. That is what his peace does. It does not erase the hard places. It simply flows over them again and again until they soften. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw unclench. Let the tension you've been carrying since this morning loosen, the way a current loosens the grip of stones buried in the riverbed, slowly, gently, without force. The river does not worry about where it's going. It trusts the banks that guide it, the way you can trust the hands of God to guide you through tonight, through tomorrow, through every bend in the road you cannot yet see. Breathe in slowly and feel the cool, calm air settle into your chest like the hush that falls over water at dusk. Breathe out slowly and feel everything that isn't peace drift downstream, carried away by a current far stronger than your worry. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not borrowed peace, not temporary peace, his peace, the kind that doesn't depend on whether today went well or whether tomorrow looks uncertain. Picture yourself resting near this river, the grass soft beneath you, the water close enough to hear, far enough to simply let it flow without needing to control it. This is what surrender feels like. Not giving up, but laying down, the way you lay down beside still waters and let them do what only they can do. Restore. Feel your body grow heavy and warm, sinking into rest the way the riverbank holds the water without resisting it. There is no fighting here. There is no current pulling you under. There is only flow, only peace, only the steady rhythm of a God who never stops moving gently on your behalf. Let your mind, which has run so many directions tonight, finally come to rest on the bank of this quiet river. Let every anxious thought slow its pace, the way water slows where the river widens, spreading out, softening, losing its hurry. You do not have to outrun your worries tonight. You only have to let them float by, watching them pass without grabbing hold, without following them downstream into the dark.
You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are stayed on you. Let your mind stay here, on this water, on this stillness, on this God who is wide and deep and gentle enough to hold every worry that tried to keep you awake tonight. Feel your eyelids grow heavy, the way evening settles slowly over a river, dimming the light gently until the water turns the color of rest. Feel your breathing grow long and slow, matching the unhurried current that has carried peace to weary hearts since the beginning of time. There is nothing rushing here. There is nothing demanding your attention. There is only the soft sound of water, the soft hush of grace, and the soft, steady peace of God flowing through this room tonight. Let it carry you now, gently, fully, into sleep. Let His peace be the last thing you feel before your eyes finally close. Sleep now. Rest now. Let the river carry you into dreams as calm and quiet as still water at midnight. You are held by a peace that does not run dry. You are resting beside waters that restore. You are safe in the current of His love tonight. Good night, dear friend. Let His peace flow over you like a river until morning comes soft and new. If this brought peace to your heart tonight, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe to Unending Mercy TV. Share it with someone who needs calm waters for their soul. And come back tomorrow for more words of comfort, prophetic encouragement, and rest.